Hey, okay then. Alright, let's get it. What's good, YouTube? Kobe A here, feeling great here. And as you can see by the title, hold on, make sure it's focused. It's my old camera. Okay, bad. So, as y'all can see by the title, why some of your friends will keep you broke. Alright. Now let me try not to stutter too much in this one, but some of your friends will keep y'all broke. Okay? And it is what it is. And you know, it's not much we can do about it ourselves, but there's just some people around you that will keep you broke. Now, there's some examples of how your friends can keep you broke, you know, and even if some of these people are your best friends, right? You guys may have a one-of-one bond, a one-of-one relationship, right? And it's okay. But sometimes they will still keep you broke. You know what I'm saying? Some of your friends, they always want to go out to eat. They always want to go shopping. They always got to have the new clothes. You know what I'm saying? They're always buying the latest and newest thing, cars, whatever it is, right? Some of your friends will keep you broke, okay? Well, I might have to edit this. Nah, I'm good. Whatever. Fuck it. It is what it is. No editing, no cutting. Okay. But really, some of your friends will keep you broke, y'all. They always wanna go on vacation. They see all the lifestyle things they see on Instagram. You know what I'm saying? They see everything they see on TikTok. They wanna live a six-figure person's life, but people are making $40,000-$50,000 trying to live a six-figure life. Those are the type of friends that will keep you guys broke, okay? If you have friends that are always like, oh yeah, let's invest into this, you know what I'm saying? Let's put money into this crypto. Let's save up, invest into this business. Let's start a little trailer business. Let's do, you know what I'm saying? People like that, you should keep around you because they're on the same type of timing that you're on. They're not trying to be spent living paycheck to paycheck, you know what I'm saying? The next few years, you know what I'm saying? People who are go-getters and they want to get out of the 9-to-5 and stuff like that, those are the people who you should keep around, you know what I'm saying? I mean, it's a simple topic, you know, but it's relatable. Everybody has people around them that kind of, you know, throw them off and stuff like that, right? So there's some people that, you know, they just don't think about turning money into more money, you know? It's people, you know, as soon as you get paid, hey gang, let's go out, you know what I'm saying? As soon as it's Friday, hey gang, you know what I'm saying? People around you will influence you. Let's say your best homie, he's taking all these girls on dates, you know what I'm saying? He might go on a date a weekend. He might spend $150 a weekend. But that being around you, you know what I'm saying, you might start to think it's cool to just spend $150, go on to do whatever you want, go on dates every weekend and spend your bread, your paychecks. You know what I'm saying? If you guys are still in the 9-to-5, you guys need to invest that money so you can have a residual income and leave that 9-to-5 and work for yourself. You know what I'm saying? I'm currently on this journey, but it's like you have to start with your environment and also, you know what I'm saying, protect your own energy, kind of, you know what I'm saying? It's like, yeah, man. But damn, my computer almost went to sleep. But it's a lot of people, they just don't see the same vision as you, you know what I'm saying? They think it's more of like oh, you only live once, so fuck it, let's just spend the money that we get and enjoy our life. Okay, cool. But you can enjoy working that same income, getting that same paycheck and same job if you just gonna keep having bad habits and just spending it as soon as you get it. You know what I'm saying? Like bro, I've had jobs where, you know, I'm barely making 20 an hour, but I'm able to stack 2, 3, 4, 5 bands. You wanna know why? It's because I'm not hanging around people that's influencing me to spend money all the time. I live like when I'm with my brothers, like even my one of my brothers, like we took a whole like the past year, 2 years maybe, we just told ourselves like, alright, monk mode, like we gonna lock in, we not, giving into all these giving into all the pleasures and just, you know, instant gratification. We're not doing none of that. We don't go out no more. We don't go to the clubs. We might, a couple times a year, but we are so locked in to escaping a 9 to 5, becoming our own bosses, you know what I'm saying, starting your own businesses, whatever you want to do for your career. This is what it takes to achieve and become who you want to be. This is what it takes to actually live your career. You have to, you have to make sacrifices, not those type of sacrifices, but you have to make sacrifices in terms of time, in terms of just disciplining yourself. You have to make sacrifices all the time, but to get to that level and be in that 1%, you guys want to be a millionaire, you guys want to, you know what I'm saying, you guys have to put in the work of a millionaire. You guys can't put in average work and then expect like above average results. You're gonna get average results. So that's my thought process, y'all. Put yourself around people who are trying to make a change too, and it may not be a lot of people around you when you do that. When people evolve, you might lose friends. A lot of rich people say, man, I lost a lot of friends on the way and it's lonely at the top, whoopty whoop. But sometimes it's like that. Not everybody can come with, and not everybody can see the same vision. Yeah, I gotta stop looking at the screen. I gotta let this focus because it's an old camera. But y'all, yeah, man, some people don't see the same vision. You kind of just got a tunnel vision and lock in. And if people are on the same type of time as you, just, keep them around. Keep your circle small, okay? No, if it's your couple friends and your family, there's nothing wrong with that. Because when you get to the top, people come back around anyways, and it's not even about that really. But when you get to the top, you're gonna be like, okay, those few years that I really locked in, I didn't go out, spend all this money, I didn't go crazy buying all the latest designer. That's another thing. When I used to make music, like when you make music, you're an artist, your image is part of your brand. So I feel like I had to spend money on the newest clothes, designer, you know what I'm saying? Just to, upkeep with the brand and the image, so I could still, that's how some people make money, is their image, their brand. But with me, like, it just felt pointless. I'm buying like clothes, like half my rent. I'm like, what the heck? Like, it don't even feel right, you know what I'm saying? And like once I got into trading, I started putting that money into trading, and I started making the money that I'm putting into trading. It's like, bro, there's a lot of things that's just pointless. You guys won't see it until you go through the phases. You guys will go through a phase where, you know what I'm saying, you might spend a lot of money on a certain thing that becomes a habit, and then you grow out of the phase and you're like, damn, that was just stupid. I could have spent that money on like so much other investments. I could have been having recurring income because of those investments. So what you guys do today, what you guys do now, this summer, start now. Like, lock in, guys. Like, just because it's the summer doesn't mean you have to be out all the time. It don't matter, because the people that are out all the time, they either have already put in the work, or they're just comfortable with where they're at. They're not trying to really reach those levels, So yeah, man, it's okay to distance yourself from people who are keeping you broke, because you know what? They don't really care what's in your pocket. It's only you that can really worry about what's in your pocket. Other people don't, yeah, okay, your friends, like, yeah, they know about you, they know everything, how much money you make, stuff like that, but people, you know what I'm saying? People are always gonna pocket watch, but they don't really know your true goals on, you know, finances and just growth, personal growth, everything. They don't truly know your goals. So the only person that can get you there is you. People, so not everybody can just motivate you to get where you're trying to go. You know what I'm saying? It has to start with you. It has to start within. So if you guys want to get to that next level financially, guys, make sure your circle is small. That way it just makes it easier to be tunnel vision. Like if you have, you know, 4 or 5 friends, they're all kind of, you know, similar type of mindset, grinding. They don't care about spending all that money going out, fancy restaurants, just for the image and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? You guys will probably all, you know what I'm saying, be living good, be at the top together, you know? And, you know, there's gonna be some friends where they might, you know, you might feel like they influence you in a way where it kind of might slow you down, you know, just certain like little tiny bad influences. You know, not everybody has perfect good habits and stuff like that, but little things matter too, y'all. You know, some things like that you just kind of gotta, you know, at the end of the day you guys are still friends. It's not deep like that, like, oh, like you're influencing me in this type of negative way, so we can't be cool. It ain't like that, you know what I'm saying? Like, you guys gotta be, you know what I'm saying, mature and understand, be understanding. It just kind of coexist, but still have that same, you guys are on the same type of, oh damn, my shit, blinking. But yeah, man, let me wrap this up. I don't want my camera to die, my, thing blinking. So, yeah.